The Financials module is the area of the software that contains bookkeeping, billing, and invoice functions. From here, the user can manage the firm's ledger of incomes and expenses with bookkeeping, create invoices, and create billing statements for the firm's AUM clients. The Bookkeeping tab is not only used to keep a ledger of incoming expenses and incomes, but it also drives the data behind the most important dashboard gauges: total revenue, total expense, and profit and loss. Most importantly, using the Bookkeeping tab will allow the users on the team to generate accurate and meaningful reports in the Quick Reports tab. Within the Bookkeeping tab, there are 4 subtabs: Accounts, New Income, New Expense, and Transfers. The Accounts subtab is where the user can create accounts for which incomes, expenses, and transfers will fall under. Theoretically, especially for smaller firms, one primary account can be created and left at that for all incomes, expense, and transfers to fall under. To create an account, the user would hit the Add New button and enter an account name, starting balance, and starting date in the boxes that will appear after hitting the Add New button. A primary account will also need to be selected. The user can simply click in the bubble under their primary column to indicate which account it should be. Once an account is created, a trash barrel icon and a wrench icon will appear to the right of the account name. The trash barrel will delete the account, and the wrench is used to edit the account details: start balance, name, and start date. Once the accounts are established, the user can begin to input the expenses, incomes, and transfers. Take note of the drop-down menus directly to the left of the quick search box. Here, the user can select the account and the time frame he or she wants to view. Account can be selected in the leftmost box, and a date range can be custom made or selected in the drop-down menu of the box directly to the right of the account selection box. Once the proper account and date range are selected, click the small refresh icon directly left of the quick search menu to view the new results. To add an income, hit the New Income tab. The user can list the amount, source, payor's name, income type, date received, transaction number, and memo. Once that part's complete, make sure the correct account is selected in the drop-down menu of Account Name and Submit. In order to select the proper payor, that person or entity must be in the database. So if the payor is not already in the database via the Add Payor hyperlink in the bottom left, then click that link now to add the correct payor. Once clicked, the user can add the name and hit the Save button. Click Submit to add the new income to the ledger. To add an expense, a similar menu can be found under New Expense. The user will fill out the fields the same way he or she did in the previous menu. In the Type box, if a new type needs to be added to the drop-down menu, the user can click the plus button next to the box and type out the new type of expense. Subtype and subcategory can be fulfilled in the same fashion. Once the information is submitted, the new types will be saved and available in the drop-down menu. Again, make sure to select the correct account in Account Name and click Submit. Transfers are transfers made from one account in the Bookkeeping tab to another account. So the amount, date, transaction number, and memo boxes should be filled out accordingly, and the proper From and To accounts should be selected from their respective drop-down menus. Click the Submit button here to record the transfer on the ledger.